In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the stator in your top load washer. So to install your stator, you just want to make sure you've got it aligned for where your electrical connections are to your harness. Take one of our bolts, just support that stator, start a bolt into the hole, grab another one of our bolts, get it started. So we can take our hand away. Now we'll just insert the rest of the bolts. So we'll just take our ratchet, snug these up. So with our stator secured, we're just going to install our wiring harnesses. Our harnesses are now connected, and that's just how easy it is to install the stator.